In this video, the ROC5B is connected to two IP cameras. One on top of is installed on top of the front door, and one is on the table there. The first video will show the two what the two cameras are seeing. YOLO V8 is also enabled, and there is the neural processing unit enabled as well. I'm going to stop it now, and there we'll see the execution time for each. For 2 frames with YOLO V8 and the MPU enabled, it took around 77 milliseconds, between 70 and 77 milliseconds. Okay, now I'm going to do parallel processing by threading, which is actually not parallel processing. So it's the same program, but this time I am using threading. Again, I'm going to stop it. And one should notice that there is no improvement in time when using threading. Now I'm going to use async IO. Again, these are all forms of should be parallel processing, but actually they are not. Again, there is no enhancement, there is no improvement in the execution times in the 70 millisecond range. Now I'm going to use multi-processing, which is actually the true parallel processing in Python. So it has started. Again, I'm going to stop it. And one should see a very big improvement in the execution times. This time it is around 15 milliseconds, which is about 5 times less than the processing time in the previous videos. That is really true parallel processing.